Hello everyone and welcome to our guide on implementing Windows Virtual Machine using Remote Desktop Protocol in Azure, where we delve into the world of cloud-based virtualization and infrastructure. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. Moving on, let's understand what exactly is Remote Desktop Protocol. Well, it's a technology that lets you control a computer from a remote location. Imagine that you're at home but you need to access files or work on a program on your office computer. With RDP, you can connect to your office computer from your home computer and use it as if you were sitting in front of it. It's like having a remote control for your computer, allowing you to access and use it from anywhere with an internet connection. Moving on, let's understand what is the objective of this lab. Now, the objective of a lab is to set up a Windows virtual machine on Azure and configure it for remote access using Remote Desktop Protocol. This includes connecting to the VM securely via RDP to facilitate testing and development of a new application by the development team. Now, let's consider a scenario. You're a junior cloud administrator working for a software development company. The company has recently developed a new application that requires a Windows environment for testing and development. Now, to accommodate these needs, you have been tasked with creating a Windows virtual machine on the Azure Cloud Platform. This VM will provide a controlled environment for the developers to test the application's compatibility and functionality. So, are you ready to enhance your development and testing environment? Discover how to implement Windows Virtual Machine on Azure using Remote Desktop Protocol. We'll show you how to set up a Windows Virtual Machine and configure secure access for remote administration and testing. Explore further by attending our demonstration on our website. Don't miss out on the complete learning experience. Head over now.